Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all the students of fourth standard. As you know that we have completed our sixth lesson of history, and nearby I think five lesson verbal question answers I have given on the board. So today we will, instead of the sixth lesson verbal question answers, I want to revise you the question answers of first lesson, because this lesson is coming for our unit test first, and maybe possible then second. We will see how much is possible in today's video. So I will tell the answers, you just listen. You will understand if you hear the sound, then also. So the first question is there of fourth standard lesson number first. In that first questions, page number 2, it is there. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct option. This is our question. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct options. So the first question in this, the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of dash period. Listen once again. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period. So the answer is medieval period. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. It is our answer. Next question. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash. What is our next question? Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash. So answer is Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is our answer. So once again, first fill in the blank answer, that is the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. Second fill in the blanks, Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is our answer. Question number 2, match the pairs. What is the question number 2? Match the pairs. And match the pair, instead of the drawing the line like in this way, arrow line, instead of that question in front of that is equal to symbol, and immediately in front of that correct answer you have to write. So match the pair, in that I will tell the question and the direct answer. Okay. Emperor of Vijayanagar. Now who was the emperor of Vijayanagar? Answer is there, Krishna Dev Rai. Third option. Emperor of Vijayanagar, third option, Krishna Dev Rai. It is our answer. Second question. Sultan of Ahmednagar. Who was the Sultan of Ahmednagar? Answer is the second option, Adil Shah. Sultan of Ahmednagar. Is the answer Adil Shah? No. Sultan of Mr. Ahmednagar, answer is Nizam Shah. Don't just focus, don't trust. Don't believe that if the teacher says it is correct only. You should be also think yourself. So Sultan of Ahmednagar, Nizam Shah. Here next question, Sultan of Bijapur. Here is the answer, Sultan of Bijapur, Adil Shah. Who was the Sultan of Bijapur? Adil Shah. Like you see. So Emperor of Vijayanagar, Krishna Dev Rai. Sultan of Ahmednagar, Nizam Shah. Sultan of Bijapur, Adil Shah. Okay. Now question number 3. Answer the write the answer in one sentence or answer the following questions in one sentence. Name the king who looked after the welfare of their subjects. Question number 3 in that first one. Name the kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. Answer is there. Emperor Krishnadev Rai and Mughal Emperor Akbar. These two kings looked after the welfare of their subjects. Answer is there. Emperor Krishnadev Rai in the south and the Emperor Akbar, Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north. These two kings or the emperors looked after the welfare of their subjects. It is the first question answers. Next question. What noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Question number 2. What noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? So answer of this question is Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task. Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which could bring happiness to the people. This is the answer. Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which could bring happiness to the people. This is the answer of the second question. Third question now. Who did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? Who did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? So the answer is there. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the power, those who oppressed the common people. So here answer is there. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the power, those who oppressed the common people. This is our answer. Next. So what it was the answer? Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppressed the people. It is our answer. Third question, it is over. Now find the odd man out. Fourth question, find the odd man out. Here Swaraj, slavery and freedom. These three options are there. So in this odd one is there slavery. Swaraj, slavery, freedom. Three words are there. In this odd one you have to find out. Slavery is our odd one here. Odd man out. Second one question, people, subject and the king. People, subject and the king. People, subject, king. So here king is odd man out in this question. King. So like in say first, second, third, four questions are there. 4 questions are there. Fill in the blanks, match the pair, answer the following question in one sentence and odd man out. These answers I have given you or I told you. You remember, you revise it. It will be helpful for you. And when we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow will come with the second lesson question answers. So till at that time, just you focus, study and look after your health. Don't watch more TV, the cartoons. Thank you very much.